Hi, I'm Ken Macron from thefrugalsophisticate.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make space decorations for your room. Do you have an aspiring astronaut in your family and you want to turn their room into a space odyssey? Well, I have the idea for you. All you're going to need is a styrofoam ball. You're also going to need some spray adhesive, some silver spray paint, and some glitter. Now, it's simple and easy, and even the kids can help you with this. First, what you're going to do is take your styrofoam ball and spray it completely with your metallic spray paint. Give it an even coat, and here's a tip for you. By sticking a wooden dowel in the bottom of it and putting it in a secure space like a styrofoam base, this is really going to make sure that it stays centered and even while you're giving it a nice even coat of spray paint. Once you got it completely coated with the spray paint, all you're going to do is take your spray adhesive and go ahead and give it an even coat of spray adhesive on the outside. This is what our glitter is going to stick to. Then over a bag, and again, the kids can help you with this one. You just want to rotate and sprinkle your glitter on your planet. Now the great thing is this is going to be a great thing for their room, whether hanging it from a ceiling off of some fishing line so it looks like they're floating throughout the room, or as an easy decoration on their desk. And this is a perfect idea for your little astronaut to make their room that much more special. I'm Ken Macron, and that's how you make space decorations for your room.